Maxon from League City has a sweaty garage floor.
His house is 23 years old, and he's always had this problem. His house just has bad hygiene, I guess. Maxon writes, it is humid in the garage, and when it's humid, it gets completely wet, he says. And the building was here when the builder purchased the land. So in other words, it's an old building. Yeah, an old building. He made into a 3-car garage and built a house around it. Okay, well, we're thinking the moisture barrier was not put under the building when it was built, and he thinks that's the problem. What can he do to stop this sweaty garage?
First off, there might not have been a plastic put under there, but has nothing to do with it sweating on top. So just get that out. Everybody wants to blame some kind of piece of plastic under there. That plastic isn't going to do anything. All that's there for is to keep the concrete from drying out too quick so it can cure, so it holds the water in the mix. Once that's cured, it's done. Unless you're on a spring or something and you have little fountains coming up underneath your house. It's what's happening is as the concrete's cold, you have humid. He was right. You have a lot of water in the air. It touches that cold concrete, and it sweats.
This is the water cycle. They covered this in the 4th grade.
That's true. And as we got older, we realized koozies on a beer can help a lot. So if you covered it with something and didn't let the air touch it, it would be fine.
Wait,
but
are you saying a garage koozie?
It's called a floor covering, yes. Okay. But you probably wouldn't do that in your garage. But if you didn't have carpet or something down in your house and didn't air condition it, your house would sweat like that too. So it's the nature of concrete. I don't know if you really can do much about it. It's just going to sweat when it gets to be when it reaches a certain dew point. And it happens with carports, it happens with garages, especially when it gets cold out. And so it's just the nature of what it is.
Even a coating on it wouldn't help.
A coating wouldn't help. It would keep it from being slippery.
Okay.
And it might help a little bit and lessen it. But what would really help would be carpeting or some kind of some of those garage rubber mats that they use, those kind of things.
But wouldn't the moisture be trapped underneath it?
No, because the air never touches the concrete.
Oh, okay.
It's the koozie.
The koozie.
It's the koozie. No air, no sweating.
I'm going to patent this garage koozie. All right.
It is.
You got questions? You can have a patent-free answer by sending them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them here. Check out the videos. More of them over here. And subscribe to our channel, please.